Are you a housewife or a stay-at-home mom, wondering how to support your family even without leaving your house? What if I tell you with just 100,000 or less, you can start a profitable business here in Nigeria without leaving your room? Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you 7 smart businesses ideas you can launch from home in Nigeria. No office, no shop, no stress. And number 1 is liquid soap and detergent production. Detergent production and liquid soap is very high in demand, and with just 25,000 to 40,000 naira, you can conveniently start this business. This business, you don't really require much. Just ask people around you or go to the market and ask where do they sell chemicals for producing detergent or liquid soap. And if you are able to locate that place, go to those people who are the vendors who are selling these chemicals and tell them what you want to do. If it's 25 liters, if it's 10 liters, tell them this is what the quantity you want to produce, and they will give you the right quantity and the right chemical to produce this soap. You can even tell them to help you number it, that is to know the first one to put, the second one to put, the third one to put, so on and so forth, so that it will be easy for you if you have not done it before. And you can even go to YouTube channel to learn how to produce liquid soap. We have a lot of tutors who have taught about how to produce liquid soap. Or you can ask me in the comment section and I will teach you how to produce liquid soap even from your living room. This is someone's liquid soap that she has produced and ready to sell. She has produced it. When you get to where they are selling those chemicals, also ask them for containers to package your liquid soap. You can get it in this size or you can get it in this other size, and you can get it in a bigger size depending on how you want to package it. And when you are done packaging, you can get a printer to help you print this label that you can attach to it, and they will print it for you. After then, attach it to your packaging and you can sell it to restaurants, sell it to supermarkets, schools, churches, neighbors, and everyone who needs it. And number 2 business you can start from home is small scale catering or snacks. You go learn how to make snacks. You can even learn from your church members, learn from your neighbors, those who you know that they are making these snacks. Go and tell them and beg them. They will teach you how to make it. And when you are done learning, go to the market. They have a lot of places where they sell flour and other things they use in making snacks. Buy them and start practicing from your home. You can even do the little ones that you give to your children to eat. Eat it yourself and see how it tastes. And when you know you are now good at it, you can now start making it to sell outside. If you can cook, you can also bake. Start from your kitchen. You might be wondering, okay, where can I sell my snacks? You can sell these snacks in school, sell in church, sell to neighbors, or you can even make a small space. Get a small space where you just do these chops and people will come. Once they know that you are good at it, they will always come to buy from you. With a fry pan and other few equipment, you can start baking and selling to people. And instead of you sitting down at home doing nothing, that baking that you are doing can be fetching you small money to support your family. Number 3 is styling or wig making, which includes braiding, fixing, reverbing, and everything that needs to do with hair. If you don't know how to do it, please go to a place where they can teach you. You don't even need a shop to start. As soon as you are done learning, you can even start from your children, start from your neighbors. And when people see how good you are, They can start requesting for your services and they will pay you in return. With those money you are making, you can use it to assist your family and even also take care of yourself. Instead of sitting at home doing nothing, please go learn a skill. It's going to help you a great deal. With 50,000 to 100,000, you can start making hair. The internet has made everything simple for us now. You can even learn from YouTube. Go to Facebook. We have people who do these things for content and you can learn from them. Instead of, okay, I don't have money to go and register in a salon for the salonist to teach me how to make hair. You have a phone, buy data. You can learn from your phone and with no time, you will know how to make this hair. And number 4 is mini importation or reselling. Some even call it drop shipping. If you don't have enough money to import goods from China, you can do drop shipping. Join a group where you have people who import goods from China, and when they import, start posting it on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, or any other social media platform you are. And when people start demanding from it, then you can get it from those importers and sell it to them. By then, you will start making little profit instead of sitting down at home doing nothing. With 100,000, I know you can start importation business. Don't go and import things that are too expensive. Start importing, little things from China, like ladies' accessories. You know that ladies, they like fashion. Earrings, neck chain, some of these body creams that they use. Start importing it from China, and when your goods come, you can start reselling it to people. And when people, with that money that you make, reinvest it to your business, import more. Before you know it, you will become a big importer. And number 5 is skincare and organic products. This is the reigning business. A lot of women want to take care of their skin. They want to look good. They want their skin to be glowing. And that is why they go for these organic products. Instead of sitting down at home doing nothing, why not go learn how to produce these organic products and you too will start selling? Once they know that your product is trusted, you are not making fake products, people will always buy, and they will even refer other women to you to come and buy from you. With 30,000 to 70,000 naira, you can start producing organic products for skincare. And we have different kind of skincare. We have the natural soap, we have oil, we have scrubs, we have products for the face, for hands, for leg, many products that these people produce. You can also produce your own, package it neatly and start selling. After all, those who are producing it, they don't have two heads. Number 6 is learning how to sew. If you know how to sew, you can be making money. Because we have a lot of people who want to sew their clothes, but they don't have a good seamstress to give their clothes to. And some, they don't want to sew new clothes, but they have a lot of clothes in their house that they want to mend. You can also help them to mend it and they will pay you for your service. Instead of sitting down at home doing nothing. You might be saying, oh, I don't have money to get a machine. Look for money. With 60,000 to 100,000, you can get a second-hand sewing machine and you can start from there and start sewing and mending clothes for people. Number 7 is tutoring or home lesson. Are you educated? You know how to handle children. You know how to teach. Why sit at home, do nothing? Get out, talk to people, tell them what you can do, and they will employ you to teach their children. And at the end of the month, they will pay you for teaching their children. When they see that their children is performing better, they will even be the one to refer other parents to you for you to teach their children also. If you can teach math, English, phonics, We have a lot of parents who are looking for tutors to teach their children. You can even go to the extent of printing small flyers with white and black. Let them just print it for you. When you go out, give to people. Put your phone number, put your contact so that they can reach you. When you go to church, when you go to other places, just share it around to people. Ensure that your contact is there where they can reach you. And with no time, you will start receiving calls for people who are demanding from your service. Don't wait until you have millions before you start business. With 100,000, you can start from little and you will grow. Starting a business is not about making a lot of profit, but at least the little profit you are making from this business can take the pressure off your marriage. Don't wait until you have millions before you start business. With that 50,000, 100,000, you can start from small. Just be faithful with little and you will grow. You don't need a shop to succeed. All you need is wisdom, consistency. With the grace of God, you will definitely succeed. My sister, instead of sitting down at home doing nothing, find something to do. Share with me in the comment section and let me know how I can help you if you are interested in any of this business, and I will assist you. Thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye for now.